Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa crispy full guide. Start by rinsing quinoa well and steaming until tender but slightly undercooked, then drain thoroughly. Transfer to a hot, dry skillet or baking sheet to toast and crisp, tossing occasionally for even color. Season after crisping to preserve crunch, and use oil sparingly when finishing to maintain texture and flavor in every bite. To get consistent crispiness, cook quinoa until grains are tender with a tiny bite at the center, then spread on a tray to cool and drain well. Excess moisture will steam the crust away, so pressing gently with paper towels helps. Use a heavy skillet or oven at medium-high heat, stirring only occasionally so edges brown and crisp, and finish with a small drizzle of oil or butter for flavor and shine. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical cooking tips and crisping ideas. Quick recommendation. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker you saw earlier, which makes kitchen music and timers a breeze. I've added the product link and other deals in the description for easy access, so check there when you can, and now let's get back to the video. Seasoning timing matters for maintaining crispiness, so add salt and delicate herbs after the quinoa is crisp. Bold spices can be toasted briefly in the pan before adding quinoa to infuse flavor without sogginess. Bright finishes like lemon zest or a splash of vinegar lift the dish, and chilled crunchy quinoa makes a great salad base or topping. Always cool fully and store in a dry, airtight container to keep that satisfying crunch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.